It's not the matter of data entry, where you could just enter a customer, send the work order, technician's guy, he goes there, fixes it, and then he sends in the tech report, you're done. It's, each one, there are some things that you really have to dig into to find out what the issues were with that customer's furniture, or what the problem was with the customer itself, between them and the client, and what's going on with that. And so it is a challenge every single day. You do have to hustle.